So here's an example of the wide open suit, that heart suit there. Now I call these the common sense ducking plays when the defenders have 7 cards, right? Our previous example, the defenders had 8 cards between their hands. Let's look at some common sense. And these are, I call them common sense because they're common sense, right? If you think about it, you go, of course, that should be an exception to the rule of 7. Our first one is, let's say West leads out the 2 of spades. And Declare knows, right? Declare has, let's give Declare their 3 spades. Declare has 3 spades in one hand. We'll do 3 spades. And 3 spades in the dummy with the ace. And you're interpreting that opening lead, right? Going back to Declare's checklist, you first review the auction, and then you count your shore winners, and you interpret the opening lead. And if you have a low spot card, if it's the lowest spot card out, you look at your spot cards between the dummy and your hand. If it's the lowest spot card out and you're only missing 7, it must mean that West, the opening leader, has 4 cards in the suit, and third hand has 3. So in other words, winning the ace of spades doesn't matter whether you win the first trick, the second trick, the third trick, because the spades are only 4-3. They're breaking 4-3. At most, you are going to lose is 3 spade tricks. So you can afford to give up that trick in, the diamond suit or the club suit, whatever side suit you need to work on to develop your 9th trick, right? And give them their 3 spades, right? 3 spades and the side suit loser, and 1 side suit loser, right, only comes to 4 tricks, and you still make your contract. So why would you even hold up? Well, in this instance, what if East, let me put some titles here. We'll have East be third hand. What if East has the side suit winner? And you duck the first one, right? 2 of spades led, you duck. East follows. They lead another spade, and you duck. And then a third round of spades comes, and you win your ace. Now, this is a suit combination that the defenders can't set you, but if East happens to have that side suit winner, right? Side suit loser for your perspective, side suit winner for their perspective, right? East can't get to West's hand to enjoy the 4th spade. So you make an over trick. And over tricks are super important, right? Super important. So the ducking play in this combination, right? Even though if you did the rule of 7, it would say duck once, right? What we're saying is if you can tell that the suit, spades in this case, is breaking 4-3, then instead of ducking once, you want to duck twice to void one of your opponents of the suit, so that if that opponent, that defender, happens to have the side suit winner, they don't get their 4th spade.